Several initiatives have been taken to prevent the spread of the flirt COVID variant, especially at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport or NAIA, where passengers arrive from different countries. The Bureau of Quarantine or BOQ issued a heightened alert surveillance through the conduct of thorough screening at all points of entry for arriving visitors. Department of Health or DOH spokesperson Assistant Secretary Albert Domingo confirmed earlier that they have issued a BOQ memorandum regarding the matter.
Totoo po yung meron kaming nilabas na Bureau of Quarantine na memorandum na nagpapaigting ng pagbabantay ng ating kwarentina sa mga ports of entry. Hindi ho ito dapat dahilan para maging alarma tayo. Tayo po ay nagmamatyag para sa pagpasok kung meron man ng ating KP2 and KP3 COVID variants. Mild po sila. Hindi ho problema yan at kayang-kaya ng ating sistema.
BOQ Director 3 Dr. Roberto Salvador Jr. says in a text message that they are closely monitoring surges of cases in other countries for the new variant. The Manila International Airport Authority or MIAA on their part expresses their support to the said initiatives. MIAA General Manager Eric Jose Ines instructed all terminal housekeeping service providers to include disinfection of items and locations where passenger contact exposure is high. MIAA also asks the cooperation of the public and urge everyone to follow the basic health protocols and guidelines set by health authorities. Wearing of face masks, however, remains voluntary inside the airport, but some passengers opt to protect themselves amid the threat of infection.
Nangangamba rin syempre kasi may family po ako eh. Then we're traveling outside the country. And for our protection, lagi lang nagmamas.
Asher Kadapan Jr., UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.